All right, so next product, High Octane. Get a lot of questions about this product. People go, I don't understand it. What is it? A lot of people that take it, they love it. We've had this product for about 15 years. Really long-standing product. We've recently upgraded it. We've recently improved it. We've recently brought out a new version, which has got flavors. And the flavors in here is just like goji berry. You know, we put some really nice tasting fruit in here called yumberry, but it's got goji berry, it's got beetroot for nitrates, you know, oxygenate. You know, Des Hasler with the I know it didn't do him much good, but with the Canterbury Bankstown Bulldogs, he'd give them a shot of beetroot juice before they played the game, you know, to oxygenate their blood. It's got coconut water, so it's got a lot of electrolytes. So we call this an intra-workout intensifier. I get a lot of naturopaths, they go, I give this for adrenal support. I give this as a hormone. It's got tribulus. It's got all those hormone herbs, sarsaparilla. A lot of people take tribulus extract. So this is like a trib booster or total trib, or, you know, like tribesterol, you know, like a steroid like. So tribulus, sarsaparilla, damiana, a lot of those herbs also got mucuna pruriens, which actually heightens the level of tribulus. Again, whole herbs, not tribulus extract. All those herbs are whole herbs. Have steroid-like components, so they make you feel a lot stronger. So that's how power and strength complex. You're going to feel a lot stronger taking this product. Don't take it every day. So this is a big part of this product. A lot of people think they're going to take this product and get a big caffeine hit. So you're not going to get that at all. It's really safe, especially for those people that maybe religious or conservative minded or just don't want to take caffeinated, really stimulating products. This will give you a lot of energy without that I've got to get up out of my chair. You could take this product and sit down at a desk, which a lot of people do, and just have really good focus and clarity, or go to the gym. And once you start working out, so a lot of times you take it and you don't notice it straight away. But after you start getting the blood flowing, you just have never-ending stamina. Like, why? Once again, we've got those 4 types of ginseng. Panax ginseng, Korean ginseng, Tenchi ginseng, yeah, the really expensive ones. Brazilian ginseng, which is also known as Suma, and Siberian ginseng. So 4 types of ginseng will give you a lot of energy. A lot of people mix these 2 together, energy shot and high octane. I prefer to take this on its own. This is my favorite product, to be honest. I take this every day. I just feel so normal, balanced on it. You know, you can go to the gym and you come back home, you're not hyped up, but as one bodybuilder said to me, she said, I just have energy all day long. She's like a world champion bodybuilder. And she said, I just love this product. I just have it, I go to the gym, I come back, and you know, a lot of people are sick of the crash and burn. They're sick of these isolated, fragmented things, giving them the shakes while they're on it, getting, as the guy said at the gym last week, getting tingling in your fingers, having nightmares at night, but they're sick of the crash afterwards. You're gonna get no crash. You're just gonna like smooth finish and sleep like a baby. Just have all day energy. Once again, we individually choose each of our ingredients, and we always choose the highest quality possible, and we always use whole herbs. So it's high octane. We call it intra-workout intensifier. It can be a pre-workout, adrenal support, test booster. It does so many things. It's got so many herbs, but it's definitely going to support you and make you feel really, really good.